Hello and welcome to another episode of a collaboration between Cars.co.za and Bosch Car Service. Now the aim of this series is to show you how much money you can save by servicing at Bosch Car Service as opposed to your car's franchise dealership. Now today we're going to be focusing on the Ford Fiesta. Sadly, this is no longer for sale in South Africa, but when it was on sale, Ford sold many thousands of them to happy South African customers. So today, let's look at parts pricing, labor costs, and how much we can save you at Bosch Car Service.
Are you looking for a bakkie? Cars.co.za. Are you feeling lucky? Cars.co.za. You looking for a transie? Cars.co.za. But nothing that's too fancy. Cars.co.za. Mini password sister, mini Ergo CC or a G-string. That's a E463 series. All you gotta do is type Cars.co.za. 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 Cars.co.za.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Eugene Northman, one of the long-serving technicians here at Bosch Car Service. Right, Eugene, we're going to go through some of what's here. Now, if I brought my Fiesta into you, what would a minor service entail and what would a major service
So
entail?
just a minor service, it's a oil filter change. But as we go through the car, we inspect the air filter, the pollen filter, the spark plugs, check your brakes, do a full inspection on your car. It's not just a minor service, if I can say like that. So we go through the car, we show you what needs to be done, what is you can look forward to. In the future, what may cause problems, but you should just book it in for a minor, you do an oil and oil filter, and how can I say, give you our advice to change the spark plugs, the air filter, the pollen filter, and even the V-belt. We inspect everything and then just give you our input on what you need to
what
change.
should be changed.
Yes.
Okay, so it keeps your car healthy.
Yeah.
Now on the screen for you, we will put parts pricing from the agents, your car's dealership, versus parts pricing and labor from Bosch. And usually, generally speaking, the Bosch parts should be more affordable.
Yes.
Yeah, than the
According
agents.
to, yeah.
Okay, and labor rates as well.
Yeah, that should be, yes.
Okay. All right, thanks for taking some time to take us through this engine. So 1 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged. Now, I believe that can be an issue here with the wet belt system.
Yes, it drives with a wet belt, so it's basically rubber that runs in oil. The specific grade of oil can cause that belt to deteriorate. Usually around these ones, according to the book, it's 10 years or 8 years to replace your wet belt if you did not do the Ks, or it's 80,000 Ks, or 8 to 10 years.
So is the belt this side?
Yes, so the belt runs on this side, if I can say here, just underneath this covers this side of the dipstick. You change the cam belt side that connects the bottom and the top, and the oil pump belt. So it's two belts actually that needs to be changed.
So let's say I'm looking at a Ford Fiesta and I go to test drive one and it's close to, let's say it's on 75,000 Ks. Then I must know at 80 it's going to have to be done. I'm going to have to bring it to you.
Yes, to do the wet belt, or just check the years. Maybe it's been done previously. Just go to the service book, look in the book. If the dealer didn't do it on everybody, then you know your next service is going to be the big heart operation.
Heart operation.
Yeah.
That's funny. I suppose if I'm a layman and I'm going to test drive one of these cars and I do a visual inspection, there's no way I can visually inspect the belt.
No, not at these ones. Usually the oil cap's on this side, so you can open it up and see the belt, but not here. Only way to see it is if you take off the rocker cover, the tappet cover.
Are there any other common issues to look out for?
Just if you look at a car, just check your water level. It didn't go down, your water level's fine. Any signs, obvious signs of oil leaks on top, just if you can, and there's no belly plate on it, just check there if you don't see any oil leaks. And just like I said, see if you don't see anything funny. Yes.
So this car's on 47,000, quite low. Is there anything to your eye here which is concerning you?
No, not at the moment.
Looks
Water
good.
is full, brake fluid's clean. Everything still looks good, if I can say like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Should we do a battery test?
Yeah, let's do a battery
let's do
test
it.
and see, yes.
How long does a battery last? About 3 to 5 years.
3 to 5 years, if you're lucky.
Yeah.
Some I've had 3 years. Recharge, retest. So this battery is on its way.
On its way out.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's still cranking power and everything is still there, but
Voltage 12.48.
so it's on its way to be replaced. So yes.
Okay. Now for this episode, we have traveled all the way to George. And remember, there are over 120 Bosch Car Service centers around South Africa. But this is a familiar face on our series. Mr. Jean Lombard, how are you?
Hi, Ciro.
So how many Bosch Car Service centers have you got now?
4.
Wow.
Yes.
How do you manage 4 branches all over SA?
We do it with some good people that work for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, your people seem great.
Thank you.
Yeah, your team seem really, really good, really knowledgeable, really kind and service orientated.
Thank you.
Yeah. So why Bosch? Why not just be independent?
Yeah, there's a lot of benefits. You've got technical support. You become part of a family. So it's a very strong brand to belong to. Yes.
Now, Bosch are quite renowned for their parts. Can you tell us a bit about how those are made and where they're made, that sort of thing?
Yeah. So I think what a lot of people don't know is most vehicles, I would say, very strong on the European side. Almost every electronic component is originally manufactured by Bosch.
Oh.
So they manufacture all the ECUs and sensors and electric components that run the modern engines, ABS systems, electronic safety systems. They're the original designers of those products. So we've got that direct contact with the diagnostic side of it. And then obviously over the years, they've now manufactured filters, braking, everyday parts, cam belts, drive belts, V-belts, globes, wiper blades. I mean, we all know the Bosch wiper blades, one of the best wiper blades, batteries. So yeah, we can really almost replace every part on your vehicle with the Bosch part.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And in terms of your diagnostics, from what I understand, it's a sort of a global system.
Yes. So once again, they're original manufacturers of the parts, so they've got the software for it. Once the vehicles get released out of their warranty, we obviously get the software for working on the vehicles. With the right to repair, a lot of the software becomes available a bit more regularly. So with the right to repair, obviously we can work on the vehicles even while they're still in the warranties. We've got qualified mechanics working on the vehicles. We pride ourselves with our branches. Our frontline staff also very competent, very knowledgeable.
Awesome, John. Thank you very, very much. Thanks for traveling to see us.
Thank you.
Appreciate
Pleasure.
it.
That's a pleasure.
Alrighty, John Lombard, owner of 4 Bosch Car Service centers around South Africa. Definitely someone you can look to look after your vehicle. Thanks, John. Now, we just had to get John's 2IC, although sometimes it says boss, onto camera. Lisa Labuskachny. How are you, Lisa?
Fine, thanks, and you?
Lovely to meet you here
as well.
in the George branch. So tell me, what's it like running a Bosch Car Service branch?
Stressful, exciting, and we're a family, so it's nice to come to work.
Yeah.
Yes.
So do you find that you're front of house and back of house?
Yes, I manage the workshops here. Everything is done accurately, clean, like it's supposed to. Like I said, your vehicle is your own car. It's like your own car, so handle it like it's your car. And then from sometimes washing a car to inspecting it to seeing that everything's been paid, everything is done, customers are treated well, keep them up to date.
Yeah.
So yeah, from the back to the front, everything. Yes.
I believe you've been with John for a long time.
Yes, a long time.
So why did you pick George to move to from Joburg?
I needed a new challenge. Yeah.
Yeah. Enjoy living in George?
Yes, a lot.
Cool. Okay. Great.
Friendly people.
Yes, really?
Yes,
Okay. Good stuff. Now, if you've been browsing the over 75,000 cars on our website, you will have seen that there are over 400 Ford Fiestas for you to choose from. Now, they are all a couple years old, and chances are they're out of service plan and warranty, and so you're going to need to find somewhere to stay on top of your services. Not only does a serviced car run better, but it generally uses less fuel. And remember, a full service history is important to protect the resale value of your car, and having that Bosch stamp in there certainly means a lot. We hope you've learned something from this video, and remember, if you are a Discovery Insure client, you can get up to 20% off your services around the country at Bosch Car Service. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next one.